Hey guys, what's up? This is me Shrija and you're watching Magic Rainbow. Today in this video we are going to discuss about some adorable facts about baby animals. Here we go. Number 1. Baby camels are born without humps. Number 2. A newborn kangaroo is highly underdeveloped and embryo-like during birth. Baby kangaroos are just 2.5 centimeters long at birth or about the size of a grape. Number 3. When born, the blue whale calf is about 8 meters long and weighs 4000 kg approximately. They grow quickly. The bulky baby whale gains around 90 kg each day. Hey, don't panic. It's a baby. The day it hatches, a baby cobra can spread its hood and strike. So be careful. 5. Brown bear cubs spend at least the first month of their lives with a sleeping mother. She's even asleep when she gives birth. Number 6. All pandas are born very small. A newborn panda is approximately the size of a stick of butter. At birth, the cubs weigh just about 100 grams, which means panda mothers are 900 times larger than their babies. Zebras are born with their stripes. Those stripes appear brown and white at birth, and the brown stripes darken with age. Number 8. Seahorse males do something highly unusual in the animal kingdom. They get pregnant and deliver their babies. The male can deliver babies in the morning and get pregnant again the same day. They deliver around 1000 babies at a time. Unfortunately, only about 5 out of every 1000 survive to adulthood. You may know that baby goats are called kids, but did you know? Because of that, a goat giving birth is said to be kidding. Hey, it's a fact. I'm not joking. Flamingos are water birds. Flamingo babies drink crab milk, a substance that forms in the upper digestive tract from both their moms and dads. Number 11. Okapi, also known as the forest giraffe. Baby okapis are called calves. They don't poop until they are between 4 and 8 weeks old. Porcupine babies are called porcupets. Baby porcupines have soft quills at birth which harden within a few days. Most piglets are born with horizontal stripes. These stripes disappear in 3 to 5 months. 14. Baby otters are called pups. They can't swim until they are 2 months old. 15. A newborn sea lion can find its mom in a crowd by identifying the sound she makes. Marmosets are small monkeys. Pygmy marmoset is the smallest marmoset. A pygmy marmoset newborn is about the size of your thumb. Within 90 minutes of being born, a baby reindeer can outrun you. A day-old reindeer is able to run several miles within a few hours. Number 18. Many baby reptiles use a tooth on the front of their snout to break out of their egg. Oh, bit scary. Baby crocodiles and alligators sometimes swim into their mother's mouth for safety. 20. Most baby birds eat regurgitated or partly eaten food right out of their mother's mouth. This is because when baby birds are born, they are not capable of breaking down food. Gestation period of rhinos lasts more than 1.5 years. At birth, baby rhinos can weigh as much as an adult human. Hey, one more thing. Rhino horns are made up of the protein keratin, the same stuff that makes up human hair and fingernails. Number 22. Baby hedgehogs have quills at birth, but they are soft and flexible. 23. Hippos can be born underwater or on land. According to Animal Planet, Hippos are the third largest living land mammals. A 2-day-old pronghorn antelope can run faster than a full-grown horse. A pronghorn is very curious and has excellent eyesight and depth perception. It sports slight movements up to 5 kilometers, that is 3 miles away. 25. Chimps can't completely walk on their own until they are about 4 years old. 26. An elephant baby has no idea how to use its trunk and learn to use it while growing up. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.